The Alexa built-in voice service on select Honda models lets you use your voice to control music, weather, smart home devices, and more. Alexa built-in works with your Honda's infotainment system. The voice service responds to user prompts through the vehicle speakers. Here's how to get started using Alexa built-in. From the vehicle home screen, select the Alexa icon. Agree to the terms and conditions. Select Get Started. Since Alexa built-in requires an internet connection, you may be prompted to connect your Honda to the internet. One way to do this is through tethering your Honda to your smartphone and its existing data plan. Alternatively, select models offer an integrated 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot that gives your vehicle a data plan of its own. To learn more, visit hondahelp.ca. Once connected to the internet, return to the home screen and select Alexa again. You will now be prompted to register your vehicle. Scan the QR code using your smartphone. Or you can enter the code shown on screen at amazon.com/code. Next, you'll either access your existing Amazon account or create a new one. The vehicle will automatically register your account once logged in. This allows saved commands on your Amazon account to be used within your vehicle. If your vehicle offers multiple built-in voice services, you may be offered to set Alexa as the preferred choice. This is optional. You're now registered and ready to use Alexa built-in. On the Welcome screen, ensure the Remember Me box is checked and then select Continue. Finally, swipe through the onboarding screens and then select Get Started to complete the setup process. Note: you may be prompted to upload your contacts to the Amazon cloud in order to make calls using Alexa. Alexa built-in features a wide range of helpful capabilities. Use Alexa built-in to stream music, check the weather forecast, answer questions, control smart home devices, and much more. Here's how to activate the Alexa built-in voice service. The easiest way to interact with Alexa built-in is using the verbal wake word. From any screen, simply say, "Alexa," and the system is ready for your request. On the Alexa main screen, you can select the Alexa button. It can also be activated by quickly pressing the steering wheel talk button. Alexa built-in's hands-free listening function is on by default, but can easily be disabled. From the Alexa main screen, select Menu. Select Settings. Select Alexa Hands-Free.